channel. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe the channel. And if you are our existing subscriber, please watch the video from start up to the end. In this video, we will discuss 10 workplace safety rules. These rules are: follow, wear proper PPE, keep work area clean, report the incidents, use correct tools for the work, do not bypass any guard, stay alert, follow permit, no emergency contact numbers in emergency walkways, assembly point, avoid distraction. So now let's go step by step. Follow safety procedure. Always comply with safety policies, risk assessment, and safe work methods. Number second, wear proper PPE is for the risk-based risk assessment. Use required personal protective equipment such as helmet, gloves, goggles, and safety shoes. Number third, keep work area clean. Maintain good housekeeping to prevent slip, trip, and fall. Number four, report hazard and incidents. Immediately report unsafe condition, near misses, and accidents and unsafe acts. Use correct tools and equipment. Only use equipment you are trained for and inspect it before use. So inspection before starting the work of the workplace tools and equipment. Do not bypass safety controls. Never remove guards, alarms, or safety devices from machinery. Because guards on machines and alarm are provided for your safety. Number seven, stay alert. Be aware of your surroundings, moving vehicles, and on-green operations in the workplace. Number eight, follow permit to work systems. Ensure authorization for work risk activities like hard works, confined space entry, and working at height. No emergency procedures. Understand evacuation routes, assembly points, and emergency contexts. Number 10, avoid distractions. Stay focused. Avoid mobile phones and unsafe behavior during work. If you have any comments, please write your comments in the comment section and we will reply to your comments. Thank you very much and we'll see you with the next video.